In this tutorial we will learn how to use belt and chain feature in assembly and create this mechanism. So let's do it. This is the assembly of pulley, uh, and this all pulley connected with through belt. You will see here 5 mm belt, and this is the assembly of belt. The gap between pulley and this inner face 10 mm. Similarly, the middle one 15 mm, and from here to here 10 mm, and see the belt depth 20 mm. So I'm not going to create this assembly. You can easily create with the help of these drawings. First create this one, then create this one and make this back frame. And this is the third pulley. I am going to show you how to create this belt. Okay. Now see here 5 mm thick. Now see all pulleys are independently rotating. Now we will see how to use belt chain feature in SolidWorks assembly to connect this all pulley together. So drop down the feature assembly feature, and here you will find option belt chain. Click and activate. See, now here either you can choose pulley face or edge. Let's say I'm going to select face. Now you will see this pulley lying at center. Now let me select the second pulley face. Second one, you will see the arrow outward. Let me select third one. See. Now if you want to, let's say, rotate this move direction, simply click on this, or even you can select from here, let's say the center one, and here see flip belt side. See, now this is the radius of this pulley. If I am going to select the bigger one, the bigger radius, diameter, sorry, not radius, the diameter bigger one is 300 mm. Even though you can make it small, 150, but pulley size also going to small. So I am going to keep 300 mm. Fine. Now belt location. Now you can locate belt. Let's say I am going to select this outer face. See the belt position move to outer face, but I don't want this one, so delete this one and keep at center. Come down. Now there is one option in property belt length. If you want to change the length, just okay, it is not selecting because this is not activated. Belt thickness, let me apply belt thickness. Now let's give close view. See the belt, make it 5. See the belt thickness going to be 5 mm. Now you can create belt 5 mm, and later we can, now here we activate create belt part. Now this belt going to save separately. Okay, simply say yes. Now just let me rotate this one pulley. See all pulley rotating together. See clockwise, move anti-clockwise. See if you rotate one pulley, the power transmitting through belt and all pulley going to rotate. Even though you can make this pulley solid. Now let me save this one. Now here see it is asking you save externally belt part. Say okay. Now you have to, it will save. Now see here, open. See this is the belt part. Let me select plane and select any one end. Okay, sketch center rectangle. Let me draw one rectangle and define this length 5 and 20. This is the belt length. Pairs. Now this one is wrong. Let me reverse 20 and make this one 5. Okay, simply exit, go to feature, activate swift boss base. Now here choose profile. Now first let me choose profile. Second, let me select this one, path. You will see. Okay. Now save this part and go to assembly. Say yes. See how the belt is created. Simply click on the sketch, hide. See. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.